case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the heartland of Texas, a legal dispute roared to life between local business, Lemieux Lumber Company, and industrial titan Ford Motor Company. The lawsuit, later known as Ford Motor Company versus Lemieux Lumber Company, centered on the durability of a new Ford pickup truck and the question of manufacturer responsibility. Lemieux Lumber Company, the plaintiff, had purchased the Ford pickup truck from N.A. Walker, an authorized Ford dealer based in Liberty County, Texas. The Lemieux Company intended to use the truck for hauling hefty equipment across muddy and rough terrains. But soon after purchase, the truck ran into persistent issues that remained unresolved despite numerous repair attempts. Feeling cornered, Lemieux Lumber Company took legal action against both N.A. Walker and Ford Motor Company. They alleged that both parties had breached an implied warranty in law and an explicit written warranty. Ford Motor Company countered by requesting a transfer of the case to Harris County, Texas. However, the trial court rejected Ford's plea and agreed with Lemieux that the venue was most appropriate in Liberty County, justifying this based on particular articles. Brochures provided by Ford came under sharp scrutiny during the trial. The court determined these promotional materials constituted express warranties and thus held Ford accountable for their content. As such, the court found Ford liable for the product representations made in its advertising, regardless of a direct contract with the customer, in this case, Lemieux Lumber Company. This critical assertion underscored the court's final conclusion. Manufacturers like Ford Motor Company can and should be held liable for commercial losses if their product fails to fulfill its advertised capabilities. The trial court stood by its original decision, upholding the plea of privilege regarding Article 1995, Sections 4 and 27. Thus, Ford Motor Company versus Lemieux Lumber Company painted a vivid picture of corporate accountability, illuminating the intricate relationship between advertising and customer expectations. This legal battle then echoed across state borders, sending ripples through the realms of consumer rights and corporate responsibility.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class